Solve the problem of poor nozzle status of sock printer. 1. Click the software to perform the nozzle cleaning operation. Open the printing software, find the Clean button and click it. The system will automatically start the printhead cleaning program. After cleaning is completed, click the Detect function to check whether the printhead status has returned to normal. 2. Click to load ink. Open the printing software, find the Load Ink button and click it, then click Stop after 20-30 seconds. Let the device sit for 5-10 minutes, then click the Cleaning function. After completion, print a test strip to check the effect. Click Clean again. After cleaning, click Check to check the status of the printhead. 3. Rinse the channel with cleaning fluid or distilled water. For the color with broken lines, remove the corresponding ink sac, absorb the cleaning liquid or pure water with a syringe, insert the needle into the top of the nozzle, squeeze slowly, and operate in small amounts and multiple times until the cleaning agent flows out smoothly. After the cleaning is completed, click the Load Ink and Cleaning functions in turn. After the operation is completed, click the Check button to check whether the printhead is in normal condition. 4. Pour cleaning liquid on the ink pad and soak it. Use a syringe to draw cleaning solution or distilled water and inject it into the ink stack. Move the printhead back to its original position, let it stand overnight, perform cleaning the next day, and check the status of the printhead.